Hi, and welcome to another video. In this video, I'll show you how you can print from Canva. Now, here's a sample worksheet that I want to print, not by printing through Canva, ordering and paying for it, but I want to print it on my own printer. So what can you do from here? Now, there's no direct way or there's no direct button from Canva wherein you can connect it to your printer and print from there. What you can do is first click on Share, then click on Download. From here, let's make sure our file type is PDF print. That's the best for printing. And then make sure you've included all the pages that you want to print. And then click Done. And once you're good to go, click Download. Give it some time to download the file. Now, once that's done, go ahead and click the file. It should open on a browser, and then from here, you have your print option. Click on that, and then just click on this one and choose the printer if you have one, and then just click print. And that's it. That's how you can print from Canva. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.